Dear comrades and friends, on 25th May, the 53rd anniversary of Naxalbari is coming. Every year we are observing this day on behalf of our party, and all of the communist revolutionaries are observing this. But this year the situation is different. Corona situation, and particularly due to Amphan devastation in the state, we forced to postpone all of our programs, and our Darjeeling District Committee is trying to hold a program so that they can pay homage to the martyrs on 25th. Comrades, instead of going the details history of Naxalbari, I am trying to send the message on the importance of Naxalbari on behalf of our party. After 53 years, all of us is aware about the division of the communist parties in our history, and Naxalbari is one of them, the milestone where again the communist party has been splitted. But this split was actual split between the revisionists and revolutionaries. Naxalbari affords the revolutionary movement, revolutionary transformation of society, land to the tiller in revolutionary way. Naxalbari forcefully hold the question of seizure of power, seizure of political power of toiling masses. And so we are upholding Naxalbari, that without Naxalbari, the long standing revisionist thinking in Communist Party cannot be fought out. So the revolutionary content of Naxalbari is unquestionable. In spite of going back, we have to take decision regarding today's situation, the situation we are dwelling, where the whole socialist camp is going into a setback. International working class is not organized, and in our country party is not so strong, and working class movement is not so strong. Working class and peasantry is not united, but the capitalist and imperialist crisis is going on, that is taking overwhelmingly. In this situation, to resolve the crisis, capitalism and imperialism trying everywhere to develop the fascistic state, fascistic way of exploitation. So the working class and peasantry, all the toiling masses, democratic peoples have duty to fight against fascism, to fight against unitedly to resist the fascism. But as communists, we are aware that without the struggle for revolutionary transformation, without the struggle for revolution in revolutionary way, this fascism cannot be defeated. And Naxalbari was the milestone of this thinking, though there was many mistakes of our leaders, CPI-ML leaders particularly at that time, to clear the origin stable of revisionism. Our leaders trapped into the revolutionary adventurism and left-wing adventurism in many cases, and they failed to analyze the Naxalbari's development actually and take the annihilationist line, take the left adventurist line. Not only some leaders, but that was the main trend of that CPI-ML of the communist revolutionary movement of that time. Though after some time many forces have rectified these faults to some extent, but the main trend, main theoretical position was not changed. I am coming the main revolutionary, on the question of revolutionary line a little bit later. If we see that Naxalbari movement was a scintillating experience of assimilating all forms of struggle, scintillating experience to fight against reactionary regime, for democracy and for a new power. All of this struggle was assimilated in Naxalbari movement. Actually at that time, Darjeeling tea garden workers are taking lead to develop the struggle, and peasantry of Tarai and all other areas were uniting with them, and the struggle for land and the struggle against exploitation was going on. Struggle for democracy was going on for the revolutionary transformation, towards the revolutionary transformation. But our revisionist leadership was trying to take that back, and our revolutionary forces was trying to go ahead. This was the contradiction in that time within the communist movement, and at that time the contradiction within ruling class was also sharpened, and the result of this contradiction in parliamentary process, Congress defeated in 17 states through food movement and others. What Charu Majumdar said, that this defeat gave the people that image of victory, that people seemed this defeat as a victory of them. So the importance of parliamentary struggle could not be ruled out. The importance of the mass struggle, actually the Naxalbari struggle was led by Kisan Sabha at that time, cannot be ruled out. So all forms of struggle, parliamentary, extra-parliamentary, peaceful and armed, all of these struggles have been assimilated in Naxalbari. And right now, if we have to develop, we have to come forward, we have to develop the revolutionary struggle against fascism, we have to utilize all of these struggles, all forms of these struggles. And again, we have to unite with all vigor. All communist revolutionaries should be united with a common line, with a general line where all forms of struggle should be utilized. And at that time, a big theoretical mistake has been taken place, that is regarding the question of democratic revolution. Actually, Mao's thought was the new democratic revolution or people's democratic revolution must be led by working class, and party must be the leadership of working class, advanced section of working class. But at that time the CPI-ML leadership took it as a party of landless and poor peasant, and only peasant can resolve the democratic revolution. Actually, that was a very greater theoretical mistake. We have to resolve this. So on behalf of CPIML Red Star, we have chalked out a new party program. Though we are upholding the Naxalbari movement, upholding the CPIML, upholding the CPIML revolutionary heritage, but new program is required, and on that basis the old thinking, old theoretical mistakes should be rectified. Another trend is coming out now, that all of us is aware about the capitalistic development in our society, in agriculture. But seeing this, some sections of communist revolutionaries are trying to say that the stage of revolution is over. Now we are entering in socialist revolution. Land to the tiller is obsolete slogan. Actually, they are replicating the Russian path. Actually, they are replicating the American and German experience, which was at that time when the capitalistic development was free. There was no monopolistic development, but now the capitalistic development is going under the clutch of imperialism, under the clutch of neocolonial domination, under the clutch of imperialistic domination, under the clutch of monopolistic domination. So we have to think it, we have to think it concretely, and we have to analyze it concretely. So in our position, the democratic task of revolution is not over, particularly land to the tiller is also not over, and the main task is, main blow have to give against monopoly capital and landlordism that may be feudal, that may be capitalistic. But the democratic revolutionary task is not over, though we can say that there is no Chinese wall between socialist revolution and democratic revolution, but the democratic revolution, democratic task of working class is primary in our state, because we have to fight against imperialism, we have to overthrow the monopolistic capital. The primary task is expropriating the monopoly capital. Without this task, without resolving this task, no industrialization will be taking place, and without the land to the tiller, no democratic program, no democratic space can be open in countryside also. So the democratic, we should go towards the democratic path of democratic revolution. We should go for the revolutionary transformation. So, and in today, that may be discussed in brief. We can discuss it later also, but our main position, we want to give an image to the people, so that the importance of Naxalbari can be evaluated concretely. CPIML Red Star want to develop a all India party, so that working class can organize politically in all India basis. We are seeing that though fascistic development, fascistic trend is growing, and in Corona situation, we are seeing how helpless is the working class, how helpless is the unorganized working class without their party. So we have to build the party, we have to develop an all India party, and to develop a socialist and democratic revolutionary transformation of the society. Naxalbari Jindabad, red salute to Naxalbari, red salute to CPIML, red salute to revolution, Inqilab Jindabad.